Students, good afternoon. Welcome to your VPS e-learning computer class. Yesterday class, I was explained few things. One by one we can see which I was explained yesterday. Hyperlink. Is it clear class? Hyperlink. Then next topic, protocol. Yes. Then TCP and IP. Class, yesterday we have completed these topics. You have understand easily these topics. So class, tell me what is TCP and what is IP? What is the full form of TCP and IP? Today I am checking. Tell me class, what is the TCP? Full form of TCP. Class, the full form of TCP, I am repeating again, you will see transmission control protocol. Is it clear? Class, any problem? TCP. This is the full form of TCP. Now, next, tell me class, what the full form of IP? The full form of IP is Internet Protocol. Class, is it clear? Now, today I am explaining these topics which are here. First, HTTP. Yes or no? Then URL, and then domain name. These topics today I am explaining. One by one, class, you will see. First, HTTP. HTTP. Yes class, any problem? HTTP. So first question is, what is HTTP? Yes or no? Yes class, listen. The World Wide Web. The word, yes, I have also explained World Wide Web. The World Wide Web. The World Wide Web protocol is known as HTTP, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Is it clear class? So, what is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Clear class? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Is it clear class? The www means World Wide Web protocol is known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Is it clear? Next thing, the documents. In another way, we will understand HTTP when the documents passed from servers to client. Server I also explained. When documents will pass from server to clients. Document will pass from server to clients are in the hypertext format. In which format? Hypertext format. Is it clear? Class, we can say HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a web browser. What is web browser? It requests to HTML files through a web server. It requests to HTML files from the web server. Is it clear, class? Any problem? Now, next. Next in class, it displays with the text, image, hyperlink in the web browser. It displays with the text, images and hyperlink in the web browser. Is it clear? In the web browser. Web browser. Is it clear? Class, a name is here. Next word, what is web browser? Do you know? What is web browser? Web browser is a place where we can run internet facility. Class, where we can run the internet. That place is called web browser. Class, web browser, I am repeating here, web browser is a place where we can access internet facility. We can run our internet. Yes or no? Next thing, class, example of web browser. Many examples of web browser. Many examples of web browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, and most common web browser is Internet Explorer. Class, in each and every computer systems you will see their Windows operating system has been uploaded. You will easily found Internet Explorer web browser is given. Yes or no? Next topic, class. Understood? Now we will start next topic, that is URL. Class, do you know what is URL? URL is a universal address of the document. And other resources on the World Wide Web. Is it clear? I am repeating again definition, class. URL is a universal address of the documents and other resources on the World Wide Web. Class, next thing, what is the full form of URL? Do you know? I am writing here, you will see very easily. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. Yes or no? Class, URL means Uniform Resource Locator. URL means uniform, U means uniform, R means resource, L means locator. This is the full form of the URL. Class, unique address. How can we find? Through this example we will understand what is URL. URL. Example, like in address bar of the web browser, http://www.gmail.com. Same, this is full path is called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. This is the address, unique address. Yes or no? Same as it is http://www.redditmail.com, gmail.com, hotmail.com, etc. yahoomail.com means full address is called URL. Next topic class, domain name. Domain name. Class, do you know what is domain name? Domain name is a unique name. Domain name is a unique name that identifies a website. That identifies a website. Example, .com means commercial site, .gov government site, .mil military, .org organization, .edu for education, .in is called India. Clear? These are identifies the websites. This is a commercial website, government website, military, organization, education, .edu means .in means India. Is it clear? Now class is over.